Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi. Computer Science and Engineering Department, Digital Systems Laboratory. This laboratory for second year CSE students, third semester. Exercise number 10. Design and implementation of simple digital system. Aim to simulate the simple digital system using HDL simulator. We will write the Verilog module. Here I am going to do the up-down counter. Verilog module. First write the module, then file name, then input-output variables will be declared here, and according to the up-down counter you want to write the programs. Then finally end module. This is a output.
Let us see the implementation of up-down counter using Xilinx software. This is a software. Double click. Software opening. It's opened. Then click File, New Project. Here in the name you click the Digi. This is a folder name. Then click Next. Then Next. Then Finish. Folder creator. Then click the file. Right click, new source. Here click the Verilog module, file name, up down counter. So I am giving UPP, then next, then finish. Here you want to write the program. Already I typed, so I copy pasted the program. Only the file name is changed. Then click the file, save, in the view, click the implementation. You want to check the syntax. For that, click the synthesis. There, the check syntax is there. Right click, run. Checking process going on. You got the green tick. So our syntax is correct. Then in the top module, click the file name, that UPP. Then enter, then click simulation. This simulation, click this file, right click, new source, Verilog test feature, in file name UPP_test test, then next, then click next, then finish. After that you want to click that file, that is UPP test. Then iSim simulator will be displayed. In that you want to click the behavioral check syntax, right click, then click the run. We got the green tick. Then next, in the top module also click that UPP, then enter, then click the simulate behavioral model, right click, then run. We will get what new window. Here only we can check the truth table for this. Want to set the value for this. Force constant. I am giving the value 1111. Then apply. Then OK. Clock. Right click. Force constant. I am giving 0. Then apply. Then OK. In clear, right click, force constant, I am giving 1, apply, OK. Here you want to give 0 for clear, 0, apply, OK. And then for E, force constant, I am giving the value 1, apply, OK. Here right click, 1, apply, OK. Here this one, force constant, I am giving 1111, then apply or OK. Then click the file, save the file. This is the run button, run. You got the output. This is correct. Then click this one, you will get the clock sign. So thus we have implemented up-down counter successfully and verify the truth table using Xilinx software.
Thank you.